Summary of How to Speak Effectively by Patrick King about this book. How to Speak Effectively by Patrick King is a helpful and friendly guide for people who want to speak better. It teaches you how to use simple words, strong body language, good voice tone, and personal stories to connect with others. The book gives you the confidence to speak in daily life, at school, at work, and even in public. It's full of easy tips, real examples, and kind advice that work for anyone, even if you're shy or still learning English. Introduction to the book and the author. The book How to Speak Effectively is written by Patrick King. He is a communication coach and best-selling author. He has written many books to help people improve their social skills, build good habits, and feel confident when talking. He gives practical tips that anyone can use, even if they are shy or nervous. This book is not a storybook. It is a guidebook that helps you become a better speaker. It gives tools and advice so that you can speak clearly, confidently, and kindly. The book says, you don't need to be famous or smart. You just need to learn, practice, and grow. If you are a student, worker, teacher, parent, or someone who wants to speak better in English or any language, this book is for you. Main characters. Roles in this book. There are no story characters in this book, but we can understand it by looking at the main roles. 1. You, the speaker. You are the person learning how to speak better. You are the most important part. 2. The listener. This can be your friend, teacher, boss, classmate, or a big group. Every person is different, so you must learn to understand them. 3. The message. This is the information or idea you want to share. It can be a story, a question, a request, or anything you want others to hear. 4. The connection. This is the feeling or relationship between you and your listener. Good speakers build strong connections through kindness, respect, and honesty. Detailed summary of the book, part by part. Let's look at each part of the book and understand it in simple words. Part 1. Why speaking well matters. Patrick says that speaking well is very important in life. Why? Because good speaking helps you make more friends, get better grades or jobs, work well in groups, solve problems peacefully, feel confident and strong, understand and help others. He says that you don't need to be born with talent. Speaking is a skill. You can learn it by practice. It's like learning how to swim or ride a bike. Part 2. What does effective mean? Effective means something that works well and gives good results. So, effective speaking means people listen to you. They understand what you say. They enjoy your talk. They remember your message. They take action or feel something. You don't need to use big or fancy words. You need to speak in a way that touches the heart and the mind. Patrick says there are 3 goals for every speaker. 1. Influence. You help others think in a better way. 2. Engage. You keep their attention. 3. Charm. You make them feel good and like you. Part 3. Understand your listener. Before you speak, stop and ask yourself, who is listening to me? What do they already know? What do they care about? What do they feel? What do they want to hear? Talking to a child is different from talking to a teacher. Talking to a group is different from talking to a friend. When you understand the listener, you can use better words, examples, and tone. You can make your talk easier, funnier, deeper, or softer based on the person. This creates a strong connection. Part 4. Use simple and clear language. Patrick says this is one of the most important tips. Some people try to speak like a professor. They use long words and big grammar. But this can confuse people. Instead, use short sentences, use easy words, speak slowly and clearly, pause after important points, use real-life examples. Don't say like, or you know too much. Good speaking is easy listening. People enjoy it when they don't have to guess your meaning. Part 5. Show confidence, even if you're nervous. Many people are scared to speak. They're afraid of making mistakes or being laughed at. Patrick says, it's okay to feel nervous, but you can look confident even if you don't feel that way inside. Here's how. Stand straight and don't fidget. Look people in the eyes. Speak slowly. Smile, even a small smile. Practice with a mirror or phone. Prepare before your talk. Confidence grows when you take action. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to start. Part 6. Tell stories. Facts are good, but stories are better. People remember stories more than rules or advice. Stories help your listener. Feel emotion. Understand your point. Connect with you. Even short stories are powerful. For example, yesterday, I was at the shop. I helped a woman pick up her bags. This story shows kindness. It's better than just saying, be kind. You don't need to be a writer. Just talk about real things that happen to you or others. Part 7. Your voice and body matter. Your body and voice say many things, even when your mouth is quiet. Use your voice well. Speak loudly, not shouting. Pause after important words. Change speed, faster, energy, slower, serious. Change tone, happy, excited, calm. Use your body well. Hands open. Friendly, a smile, glorious kind, nod, agree, arms closed, maybe nervous or unsure. Eye contact, confidence. People believe your tone and body more than your words. Part 8. Persuade without pressure. To persuade means to help people agree with you, but don't force people. Don't try to win. Instead, understand their problem. Share your idea clearly. Show results or proof. Stay calm and kind. Let them decide. Example, I think this plan is better. It saves time and money. We can try it for 1 week and see. People like to choose, not be pushed. So speak with logic and heart. Part 9. Handle questions and conflicts. Sometimes people will ask hard questions, say I don't agree, say you're wrong. Don't be afraid. Stay cool. Here's what you can do. Listen first. Don't interrupt. Say that's a good point or thanks for asking. Explain your side calmly. Smile and nod. Find things you agree on. You don't need to win. You need to keep the peace and stay respectful. Part 10. Speaking in groups or public. Speaking in front of people is scary for many. That's normal. But you can do better by practicing in front of a mirror or camera, starting with a joke or story, breathing slowly before starting, looking at different faces, not one spot, speaking slower than usual, ending with a strong final sentence. People don't want you to be perfect. They want you to be honest and interesting. Key lessons from the book. Let's remember the big lessons from this book. 1. You can learn to speak well. Anyone can. 2. Simple is better than smart. 3. Think about your listener, not just yourself. 4. Speak with your face, hands, and eyes too. 5. Confidence grows with action. 6. Stories speak louder than rules. 7. Stay respectful when others disagree. 8. Practice makes your words powerful. Conclusion and friendly reflection. How to Speak Effectively is a very friendly, useful book. Patrick King writes clearly and gives real tips that work. His goal is to help you feel strong, happy, and free when you speak. This book is perfect for English learners, shy people, students, workers, and leaders, anyone who wants to grow. You don't need to speak like a professor. You don't need to use hard grammar. You just need to speak like your best self. So, from today, practice one small tip every day. Speak to friends, teachers, and family. Try voice recording or mirror practice. Smile more when talking. Don't worry about mistakes. Remember, speaking is about sharing yourself. Your ideas matter. Your voice matters. People want to hear you. So speak with kindness, strength, and love. You can do it. And this book is a great guide on your journey. I learned from this book that speaking effectively isn't about sounding smart or using big words. It's about being clear, confident, and real. I learned that good communication starts with knowing what I want to say and saying it simply. This book showed me that pauses, body language, and eye contact are just as important as words. I also realized that listening well and connecting with people emotionally makes my message stronger. It's not about being perfect. It's about being present, prepared, and human when I speak.
Thank you so much for watching. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to watch another one. We think you'll love it. And don't forget to follow us for more easy English and amazing book summaries. See you soon!